Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a very exciting video. This is on the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker collection. I finally have it. I ordered everything from Beautylish and I just had issues. Like I had a duplicate order, I had to contact customer service. I placed 2 orders and the first one shipped before this one did. I had to contact them again. Luckily they're very understanding and they shipped the stuff actually overnight. So it got shipped this Thursday, it came on Friday, which was yesterday. So it came exactly a week after its launch. And that's like all that I can hope for because usually stuff takes like 2 to 3 weeks to get to me since I'm in Canada. So I'm very happy with their customer service. I think they did a great job. And I'm gonna share with you guys what I got from the collection as well as try some stuff on. Like I said, I placed 2 orders. So in the second order, I just have a makeup bag and one of the Supreme Frost. Well, this is like the bulk of the stuff that I purchased from the collection in this video. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Give your girl some love and share this video. Like and share this video because I'm exhausted right now. I just worked a night shift and I woke up early just to film this. So I'm hoping that you guys enjoy it and I will show you guys first what I got and then I will test everything out. Take some pictures in the middle of that because this palette is just gorgeous and you guys will see in a second. So yeah, all I have on my face today is just some BB cream, some Jeffree concealer, some powder, and my brows. So I will test the highlight palette as well as the eyeshadow palette. So let's go ahead and open everything. Okay, so I did get the stuff yesterday, but I decided that I would do this on camera. So I have 3 little boxes here. The first one is the mirror, of course. It's this one. I did open this one. I cracked the seal yesterday and opened it. So I never crack my Jeffree seals, but on the mirror, you kind of have to because there's no other way into the box. Oh my goodness. This is what it looks like. I was super excited for this. This is the first thing I added to my cart because I knew it would sell out super fast. It is so pretty, you guys. Oh my goodness. This is what the mirror looks like. Oh, this one's so clear. The one that I'm using right now, it's kind of like fingerprinty. But yeah, that's a mirror. I have like a bunch of these. I don't even know why. You only need one, but I have like a few of these because I really like them. And I guess it's become like a collection now. So I needed this one in my life. I always have that one because I don't have a viewfinder on this camera. So I'm always constantly checking if I'm in frame or if, you know, something happened where my camera stopped recording. So these come in handy for me. I use them quite often. So that was a Jawbreaker mirror. I got in pink, of course, because there's 2 of them. There was a white and a pink, but I thought the pink one was a lot prettier than the white one. So let's go ahead and open this. I think this is the Brain Freeze one. Let me just say, Beautylish is always over the top with their packaging. They make sure everything is secure, safe, bubble wrapped like crazy, and they offer free shipping. So I love shopping from Beautylish. I never shop from Jeffree's website for that reason that they charge for shipping mostly. But this is what the Brain Freeze palette looks like. This is what the outside packaging looks like. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. So it's like metal on like a cold day, you know, where it's like frozen metal. It's kind of like what it looks like to me. I don't know if it's supposed to look like that or if it's supposed to look like ice or something. I'm trying to be careful not to wreck this. Okay. I really like this packaging, you guys. Oh snap. So this is the Brain Freeze palette. I feel like it's a little bit thicker than the other palettes that were released previous to this one. So this is what the Brain Freeze palette looks like. It reminds me of a slushie or like one of those firecracker, what is it called? Popsicles that you get on like the 4th of July. We don't have the 4th of July in Canada, but we always have those popsicles and that's what they remind me of, like the 4th of July. Anyways. Oh no.
Oh no. They make sure everything is secure, safe, bubble wrapped like crazy.
Well, I'm gonna have to be contacting customer service again. I feel so bad. Like, I literally feel so bad. I feel so bad, like, even messaging them in the first place, but this one came broken, you guys. Ugh. I don't know if I can really show it to you. That's what it looks like. It's completely shattered. The two colors on the side, the statuesque and cold shoulder, they're both shattered. I'm so sad, and I don't know if they're going to have this, if they still have it in stock. Oh my gosh, that makes me worried a little bit for the palette. That makes me worried, honestly, about this palette. I really hope that both of them are fine. I ordered the bundle, so I ordered 2 of them. I don't know if it was like FedEx or something, because I honestly feel like these are securely packaged really well, so I'm hoping that this is not broken. That is really sad. That palette is gorgeous. Okay, so I got the mini breaker. I don't know why, but I thought this would be smaller. Like, I don't know why. I'm used to having MAC quads, I guess, and having them be really small. So this is actually pretty big for a mini breaker palette, for a mini palette anyways. So, ooh. Oh yes, okay, this one's good, this one's good. So that's what it looks like. This one reminds me of like fall. It has like those really rich tones, those really rich purple, gold, orange, just like, I don't know, this reminds me of fall, but it's really pretty. That is the mini breaker palette. So cute. I love the packaging. You guys, I'm scared. I don't want to contact Beautylish again. I feel like I've been nagging them for this whole time. The next thing I got was the Jawbreaker, the big palette. So, oh my gosh, I'm really hoping that this one's fine as well. It could have just been a fluke. It could have just been that one. This is what the Jawbreaker palette looks like. I know everybody's seen this already, but oh my goodness. It is so pretty. Okay. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna have to take a picture of this before we get into the video and me testing out this product because, okay, it's good too. This one's good. So it was a fluke. It was just the Brain Freeze palette. I don't know why that happened, but this is what the Jawbreaker palette looks like. Of course, everybody's seen this already. It has 24 shades. Looks like that, and I'm so excited to start playing with this for you guys today. I'm excited to create something with like the pastels. I'm gonna do something with the pastels for sure. And yeah, this looks amazing, you guys. This looks so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures, and then we will get into the look because, oh my goodness, I'm so excited to play with this. I am so sad about my Brain Freeze palette still. That's kind of like why I feel like my energy has gone down. Even though I'm tired, I feel like my energy has gone down because that one's broken. I'm so sad. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this look. So I already have some primer on my lids as well as some concealer just under my brow bone because that's where I get a lot of redness. So I'm gonna play with this palette, the Jawbreaker. This one, I don't think I'm going to interchange them. I think I'm just going to solely focus on this palette today and then do another look. If you guys want to see something with this mini breaker palette in a different video, let me know. But yeah, these, oh my gosh, this packaging, I just can't get over it. It's so cute. So we're going to go ahead and get started and try to figure out what we're going to do. Honestly, I haven't washed my brushes in a long time, and by a long time, I literally mean like 2 weeks. I haven't washed my brushes, which is not terrible. Like 2 weeks is not too bad, but I don't have a lot of options because most of my brushes are covered in other eyeshadows. So I'm gonna try to finesse this, make it work. So honestly, the ones that are clean are from the Jeffree Star Morphe collection. So it's these ones right here. That's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna take bubblegum, which is that bright pink. I'm gonna do something, like I said, I'm gonna do something pastel. So I might do like Wow, Bubblegum, Gumdrop, and Sour, like these 4. These are so pretty. Like honestly, the one that stands out the most to me in this palette is Gumdrop. It's that purple one right there just because I love lavender. If you guys couldn't tell, my walls are lavender, so just going like a little bit above my crease. Ooh. I see you with that pigment. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. So I'm gonna take a little tiny bit of Cherry Wet, which is this red color right there. It's kind of like a reddish pink color, like a cherry color. And then this is just gonna go in my crease. Honey, look at that pigment. Look at that, that's so pretty. Those colors, you guys, look so good together. Okay, so I'm going to put a white base onto my lid. This is called Milk by NYX. And okay, I sharpened that a little bit weird. So this is sort of cutting my crease, but not like being very detailed. You know, I just want a really light color on the lid, and this is just gonna make it pop. Okay, reasons why I hate having lash extensions. Every time you put a cream product on your lid and it gets stuck in your eyelash, you can't get it off at all. So there's this white little spot in the middle of my eyelash. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I cannot. I'll try to get it off later, but that's basically the look so far. So I'm gonna take a flat brush and we're going to go into, let's see, I kind of like the white. I like the light colors. Okay, so I'm gonna take Good Morning, which is right beside the bubblegum color, this one right here. It's just a really, really light pink, almost white. Look at that pigment. So I'm just gonna take the first two colors, bubblegum and Cherry Wet, and just kind of revamp it a little bit because it's starting to blend into the white a little bit too much for my liking. Okay, so that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and take, I want to do something like a little bit dark on the outer corner, but I don't want to mess this up. I'm gonna probably just take Raspberry, which is right beside Cotton Candy right here at the bottom. It's kind of like a burgundy-ish color, and that's what's going to darken up my outer V. Okay, so we're just gonna blend everything out. Okay, my camera stopped recording, but I basically just placed my highlight color, blended everything in, and that's kind of what it looks like right now. I really like this palette so far. It's very just effortless. I feel like I put on a color and it just blends out so well and so easily. And that Good Morning color that I have on top of that white base, it just pops, you know? It's not, like, it's such a tame looking color. Honestly, it's that right there. It's that really light pink. It just looks so tame, but then when you put it on, it just pops. Like, it looks so good. So for my lower lash line, I'm gonna try and do Wow, Gumdrop, and Sour, and just kind of do like sort of like a pink rainbow-y look. I don't know if it's gonna translate very well, but I really like how it looks so far, just with the pink. Honestly, it looks really good, and I feel like I could just do like a full pink glam, but I just want to try something different, so that's what we're gonna do today. Honestly, I'm just gonna take this NYX Milk Jumbo Eyeshadow Pencil again and put it on my lower lash line, just because I don't know how pigmented these are gonna be. Okay, so this is my trick with pastels and like matte colors just to make it pop. I just did like a white base. Okay, so that's it for the final look for my eyeshadow today. I hope you guys like it. I had fun creating this look. I had fun creating this look. I'm going to go ahead and do my lips and the rest of my face. So I didn't buy any of the lip products in this collection. However, I'm going to be using Doll Parts by Jeffree Star. I think it looks perfect with the pink.
You can't use this one because you don't have all the requirements.
What?
You can't use this brain freeze because you don't have all the requirements. Like a brain.
Okay, so I'm going to attempt to use this Brain Freeze palette today, even though it's broken. I'm going to go ahead and take Jawbreaker. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take Frozen Fruit, that pink color right there at the bottom. That is really pigmented. So that is pretty much it for the final look today. So final thoughts on this collection. I really recommend the Jawbreaker palette. I think it's amazing. It has so many shades in there you can play with. It has pastels and the bright colors. I also really like the mini breaker, even though I haven't tried it out yet. And as for the highlight palette, I really like the Frozen Fruit colors so far. I haven't tried any of the rest of them, obviously, because it's broken. But hopefully I get that fixed soon and they send me another one maybe. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys soon in my next one. Bye everyone.